So today we will discuss about psychometric assessment of cognitive processes and alternation in cognitive functions. So psychometric assessment of cognitive processes. Cognition refers to the mental process dealing with acquiring, progressing, and storing of information. Cognitive skills that we possess are ability to hear, visual processing, staying focused on the particular given task, processing speech, recalling, making association, reasoning, forming a concept, problem solving, etc. Cognitive skill develop and change over time, and these skills are playing a vital role in human life. The below mentioned are reason The below mentions are reason why assessment of cognitive functions are done. Number 1. For identification of developmental delay. Number 2. Suspected intellectual disability. Number 3. It is used to understand strength and weakness of children who have learning difficulties so that proper remedial action can be planned. Number 4. Cognitive assessment has also been used as a part of neuropsychological tests to assess the individuals that experiences cognitive impairment as a result of brain injury or a stroke. Number 5. In clinical setting, they are used to identify depression, anxiety, and phobia, etc. Number 6. It is used in early person who complain of memory problem or dementia, which is loss of memory. Well, after that, we are discuss about alternation in cognitive functions. There are various kind of alternation in cognitive functions. In terms of psychology, we classify them into follow categories. Number 1. Delirium. Acute disorder generally associated with illness. Example, disorganized thinking, altered level of consciousness, and alternation problem. Delirium occurs following certain disease in where the person is having clouded consciousness, affecting the thought process to some extent, as a result of which the cognitive functions are affected, alters. Number 2. Dementia. Dementia is characterized by many cognitive difficulties, especially memory with progressing deterioration. Cognitive impairment in case of dementia often interferes with the activities of daily living. Example, Alzheimer's disease, memory test, difficulties in feeding, word for conversation, leading to confusion, mood swing, irritability, restlessness, etc. Number 3. Amnesic disorder. Amnesic disorder, there are disturbance of memory without impair with other cognitive function. They may be due to general medical condition like trauma, hyporexia, which is lack of oxygen, or due to substance abuse. Number 4. Brain disorder. Brain disorders may occur due to accidental trauma like head injury, stroke, Parkinson's disorders affecting the cognitive function. Number 5. Other illness. Other illness of both physical and mental can sometimes impair cognitive function. Thyroid disease, vitamin B12 deficiency can cause cognitive symptoms. Infection like bacteria and viral can disrupt brain function. Mental illness like schizophrenia and affective disorder can also cause cognitive impairment like attention difficulties or inability to think clearly.